Hi, my name is Mone, and I'm a rising junior at Los Altos High School, and this is my second milestone. So for my second milestone, I coded everything on Particle and got the information from the IFTTT to work with my code. So for the first part of my code, I included the library files, and the library file included is the neopixel.h, and that's because I'm working with the neopixel. And I also included application .h because all the code that needs a library file needs that. And this is where I define all the colors. So I define it by writing the name and writing the brightness of each LED, so red, green, and blue. And then this is where I define the pixel count, the pixel pin, and the type. And this is where I have all the variables set up, and which I will use later in my code. So in the setup, I have the pin mode, which will behave either as an input or an output. And then the particle.function gets the information from the IFTTT and work with my code. And in the void loop, there are two parts. The first part is the buttons. And so when I press a button, the NeoPixel will light up. And the second part is getting the information from the IFTTT and the NeoPixel lighting up based on the weather condition. And so how it works is that for an example, when the weather is equal to 1, then it will light up as a peach color and a sunset color. And so how it works is that I have a method down here where it takes in the condition from the IFTTT. So for example, if it's clear, then the weather value will be equal to 1, where it would go up here and change the color to peach and sunset. So since my IFTTT only changes when the weather condition changes, it will not work since the weather is constantly sunny. So I can show it using the Particle app that I have on my phone. And so for example, if I type in clear, it will send the information and light up the NeoPixel based on what I have in the code. And another example is when I type in snow, it will start flashing up. And then the last one is storm. And so when I type in that, it will change color to a rainbow. Thank you.